In 2025, Blancpain redefines understated sophistication with the return of its cleanest classic, the Villeret Ultraplate, a watch that balances timeless elegance with modern refinement, now even slimmer, smarter, and more versatile for daily wear. The new Villeret Ultraplate measures 40 millimeters across and just 8.7 millimeters thin, the perfect proportion between dress watch finesse and everyday comfort. Crafted in either polished stainless steel or 18-karat red gold, it remains faithful to Blancpain's DNA while introducing subtle, technical upgrades. The dial is where this new generation truly shines. Choose between a finely grained opaline white or a rich, golden-brown sunburst, both accented by sculpted 18-karat gold Roman numerals and slender, loom-filled hands. Even the date window at 3 o'clock has been enlarged for better balance and readability. Through the sapphire caseback, you'll find Blancpain's in-house caliber 1151, a twin-barrel automatic movement beating at 21,600 vibrations per hour and boasting an impressive 100-hour power reserve. This latest update features a beautifully open-worked gold rotor with satin finishing and polished bevels, a quiet masterpiece of craftsmanship. With short, curved lugs and a new quick-change leather strap system, the Ultraplate adapts seamlessly to your style. Whether it's beige, honey, or deep brown Barolo leather, designed to develop a beautiful patina over time. Priced at 9,900 Swiss francs in steel and 20,500 Swiss francs in red gold, the Blancpain Villeret Ultraplate isn't just a return. It's a reminder that true elegance never shouts. It whispers, it endures. And with the Villeret Ultraplate, it's never been more refined. If you enjoyed this look at Blancpain's latest creation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories from the world of fine watchmaking.